In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to accept payment on Cash App. The first way to receive money is to request it from another user. To do this, you need to choose a person or people if you're getting money from more than one person to request money from. You can do this by manually entering their cash tag, their email address, or their phone number. There is also an option to add a customized note to remind them what it's for. You can personalize it for your brand or customer. You then request the money and a notification goes through to their Cash App account asking them to complete the payment. Here's an easy breakdown of the steps to send a request on Cash App. 1. Open Cash App and enter the amount you'd like to request. 2. Hit the request button. 3. Enter the cash tag, email, or phone number of the person you're requesting money from. 4. Add an optional personal message. 5. Hit the request button again to complete the request. Make the most of your Cash App by automating your transaction records. Accounting software that pays off. Approving a payment. The second way to receive money is by approving a payment that somebody has sent to you. If this is the first time you've received money from this person, you will have to approve the payment before it goes into your balance. But if you've received money from this person before, the money will automatically be added to your balance. To accept a payment in Cash App, simply follow these steps. 1. Open the payment. 2. Tap Accept. 3. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the payment. 4. Tap Confirm. 5. Tap Done. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.